Draper Expert spirit and laser levels are manufactured by Kapro, one of the world's leading high-quality level manufacturers. Spirit levels are available in sizes from 225mm up to 1800mm and in a whole selection of profiles to suit every requirement. The quality and accuracy this expert range of levels brings is second to none. With patented innovative features such as plumb sight and Optivision, they're an asset to any professional or tradesman. Draper Expert laser levels by Kapro are also packed with features, and with 6 different models to choose from, you are sure to find one to suit your requirements. Whether laying foundations, conventional building, framing, tiling, fitting windows, or any other leveling requirement you may have. Look out for our individual product videos that explain in more detail the specific applications, features, and benefits